Today we are making cake dough cookies easy. You need cake dough, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, any cooking oil. You need to preheat the oven to 350, cook 9 to 13 minutes, and this is how you make them. So you need to put in your eggs. And you need to add half a cup of cooking oil. Pour it in. And then you put in your cake batter. And then you mix it until it looks like cake batter. If you're using an electric mixer, you need to get it out of these things. Of course, getting a spatula. That's good. You get about this much cake dough. Roll it into a little ball. Put it on it. And you keep doing that until you're out of dough. You might need to make a few batches, because you made a lot.